glowing marker on the connection block next to the switch panel. Great. Good job. Now that you're familiar with your controllers and your toolbox, let's begin the single-phase service connection. Next, you'll need to disconnect your temporary earth lead and test from the suspect neutral to the top side of the fuse base. You should expect 230 volts. Excellent. You've now completed the polarity test. Great work. You've now completed the neutral integrity test. You'll need to reconnect the neutral into the service neutral block and ensure it is secure. While maintaining connection to the neutral block, turn on all main switches to load up the installation. The final load test has now been completed. A 0-volt reading is expected. Well done. You've just completed the single-phase service connection. You will now be required to complete your assessment module. Either head back into the hub for additional training or jump into the assessment module.